question from the audience. Like a very interesting question, and I think ये question तेरे को काफी बार तेरे को पूछा गया है कि how do you we all know you are an extraordinary player and we also know that you have been outstanding academically. दोनों जगह तूने काफी अच्छे से manage किया. So how did you manage sports and education? First thing, and second thing is I have noticed a lot of players and parents. They have the fear of uh, balancing both sports and education, and then 10th और 12th जब ये बोर्ड्स का पीरियड होता है so वो गिव अप कर देते हैं या काफी कम कर देते हैं. तो क्या करना चाहिए बेसिकली, कैसे मैनेज करना चाहिए, और ये गिव अप करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
एक जोक मारना चाहूंगी. सत्यन डजंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. मैनेज वाला क्वेश्चन ना एक्चुअली हमको पूछना चाहिए. सत्यन ने मैनेज नहीं किया, वो तो पूरा स्टूड आउट हो गया है एकेडमिक. मैनेज तो एक्चुअली हमने
एक्चुअली इसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला ना कि दोनों में एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी था, बट अगर वो एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी था तो हमें थोड़ा आइडिया मिल सकता है ना कि कैसे उसने दोनों इसमें अच्छे से किया, नॉट मैनेज किया, बट दोनों इसमें ही वाज वेरी आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो सचिन प्लीज शेयर.
या ये सवाल बहुत लोग ने हमेशा किया है, बट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू be clear on कि what you mean by manage. मतलब what you actually want to achieve in life. You'll have to be very clear in what you want to achieve. You have to just put a 24 hours का एक schedule डालो. आप उसमें कितना देर पढ़ाई करते हो, कितना देर टीटी खेल रहे हो, वो सब एक बार schedule डालना, फिर पता चलेगा. What happens is many times manage करना करके you keep playing, you don't study at all. फिर एग्जाम आया, मैं खेल रहा था, that is why you start to find reasons that मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था, एग्जाम कर रहा था, मैं पढ़ाई के लिए टाइम नहीं था, ये नहीं था. अब लेकिन आप क्या करते थे, टीवी देखते थे शायद, या आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये करते थे, टाइम स्पेंड करते थे. सो यू डोंट वैल्यू टाइम. सो व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ देम डू, एग्जाम का सिर्फ थोड़ा टाइम पहले दे स्टार्ट स्टडीइंग. सो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, एज अ टीटी प्लेयर व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इज that you can't go directly to a match and play well. You practice daily. That's how you'll have to do. You'll have to study daily, put up a schedule and follow the schedule. Like you have a process in TT. मैंने आज ये stroke खेला, तो पढ़ाई में भी एक ऐसे डाल दो कि you have to finish physics this chapter today and chemistry this chapter today. Try to follow it. Be a disciplined thing, and when you value time, that is when you really, I think, make it better. And that's what I always done. And I feel, then at a point of time after 10th or 12th, probably you can decide on how you're playing. It's totally your parents and the athlete call. And make sure, okay. I also want to tell the parents very frankly that parents बहुत expect करते हैं कि एक अभी start किया 2 साल में national champion हो जाए. So that doesn't happen in the sport. मैं स्कूल का एग्जाम्पल दूंगा. 3rd स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ रहा है एक बहुत अच्छा गाई स्टडिंग रियली वेल इन 3rd स्टैंडर्ड, तो क्या उसको सीधा 8th स्टैंडर्ड प्रमोट करते हैं? नहीं करते. So they go with everything. So that is the patience. But parents स्कूल को तो नहीं जाके पूछता है कि आप मेरा बच्चा बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है, पढ़ाई कर रहा है 3rd में, इसको तो 4th नहीं, आप सीधा 6th स्टैंडर्ड भेज दो. तो ऐसे तो करते नहीं है. So I think that is how you have to be patient. But TT में जरूर you can go from 4 to 6 if you are doing the correct amount of work and the right amount of technique with the proper planning of time. Then you can really do it well. And that is what I have done. And मैंने उतना कुछ कमाल नहीं किया है. मतलब engineering, frankly, table tennis was much more harder. Engineering was a little bit light, but I would suggest मेरा time में it was very difficult. Sports as a profession सोचने में ऐसे होता था, but right now sports is in a very good scenario in our country. Sports में in fact ज़्यादा jobs मिल सकते हैं engineering से. So take sports has become a profession from an extracurricular activity. So be very bold, do all the things. Take a decision. If you want to take a break after 12th, if you feel you can make it big, take a break, discussing with your parents, and do a evening college or something. Give it that time, give it a deadline, and how you see you're performing on the process. And not only result nahi sochna hai, go in the process, then you will result automatically aayega. So I would not suggest anyone trying for an Olympic medal to take up engineering. Galat mat samajhna. But what you want in life, what you want to achieve in life, kya passion hai, how you want to go about it. There has to be a clear planning, and then you can really go about it.
Satyan, I want to ask you something. Can I ask?
Yeah. We have short of time, but yeah, we can.
Yes,
okay. नहीं, इसके related ही है.
Yeah,
so like you said, like you said, कि make a schedule of your studies, keep a track of time of your studies and playing time, and ये सब है. Plus you said कि ये देखना चाहिए कि आपको interest है या नहीं, आप क्या करना चाहते हो. You need to make up your mind. Now here comes the main part. जब when you are in the age say from 8 to 14, ये वाला age ऐसे होता है जहाँ पे obviously parents ही decision लेते हैं बच्चों के लिए, say till 15-16. So not everyone knows कि what exactly they want to do, as in they really are inclined towards studies or they want to do something specific in that, or they are really inclined towards the sport which they want to pursue further. तो उस टाइम पे like don't you think कि ये बहुत ज्यादा difficult होगा for the kid to understand exactly कि you know मैं ये schedule बनाऊं, and बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हो भी सकते हैं जिनको ये शायद अच्छा नहीं लगता हो करना, like you know making a schedule and then keeping a track of it, because like I said कि every kid उसका behavior उसका nature बहुत differ करता है. So then for those people who probably are not interested or who maybe do not want to you know be that disciplined, मतलब इतना discipline नहीं, थोड़ा discipline तो of course होगा ही, but इतना सब schedule बनाना, इसके और इसके बीच में bifurcate करना, ये सब follow up करना, वो अगर नहीं किसी को possible हो रहा है तो then what is the solution, what is plan B?
So, yes, say starting mein you can't expect day one mein you put up a schedule, you follow everything. It doesn't work like that. So TT
Right.
mein you have a plan, right? You go to a match, you have a plan. It works out sometimes. Then you get better with it. So just start with it like with probably 1 hour that I'll give time. But people ask me how do you manage? So what is actually managing? You're not managing sports and studies. You're managing only time. So that's about, if you are able to manage time, then you can balance, then you can definitely manage both sports and studies. So time management is something which you'll have to plan. आपको अगर पसंद नहीं हो रहा है, आपको ये नहीं हो रहा है, then you'll have to see what you're doing at least. So time नहीं करना चाहिए, but just put कि in a day आपने क्या क्या किया आज. So you just played, फिर मैंने टीवी देखा. So then you can know on what you're doing in a day. You should be aware of what you're doing in a day. Without awareness, then the management goes for a toss. So if you're aware and you know, then you can really, get better on that.